Hello everyone. Rumors about the V4 engine being developed by Honda continue to circulate. The machine reportedly has a capacity of 1000 cc or more. If this is true, then it can compete with Ducati's V4 engine. It is not yet clear what model this machine will be equipped with. Some say it will be the mainstay weapon for the replacement model for the Honda VFR800F, which has stopped production in Europe. Well, like this Honda V4, let's discuss it. Rumors about a new Honda sports motorbike with a V4 engine have been circulating for a long time. The patent image has been circulated. Previously, it was predicted to be a replacement for the RC213 VS. Honda does not deny that a new 1000cc engine or more is being developed. Because it cannot be included in the superbike line, there is a big possibility of making a sport touring model that adopts a masculine concept. The most logical thing is that this new engine is included in the VFR series circulating in Europe and the United States. Moreover, VFR has always used a V4 powertrain. If we trace it, the variant has used a 90D V4 configuration engine since 1986 and an injection generation in 2002. And on the other hand, Honda at least has a strong reason to continue the VFR800F, which is no longer produced because it is hampered by strict Euro 5 regulations. If Honda wants to continue its VFR lineup in Europe, it will have to move quickly. For information, the VFR800FF currently has a 782cc .C V4 VTEC 4-stroke 16-valve liquid-cooled engine. The end result can be achieved peak power of 104 HP at 1250 RPM with a torque of 75.1 Newton meters at 8,500 RPM. Although there's no information on what the new VFR will look like, patent images circulating in 2019 could be linked to a potential sport touring from Honda. That way, we can easily imagine the technology used in the new machine, mainly leaning towards lightweight like its competitors. The circulating blueprint also shows that the V4 engine could be used for a new VFR interceptor in the future. Speculation about this machine is expected to match its competitors. It would be interesting if Honda decided to release a new, most powerful V4 engine configuration with a ton of advanced features. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.